Weight gain linked to thyroid problems is a huge frustration, and Pureveen Thyroid Balance claims it can help restore metabolism, boost energy, and finally make the scale move. But does it actually help you lose weight, or is it mostly marketing hype? So Pureveen is marketed as a liquid thyroid support supplement designed to help the body convert the thyroid hormone T4 into the active T3 hormone, which the brand says can improve energy and metabolism. The formula includes milk thistle, selenium, zinc, copper, and magnesium, nutrients involved in thyroid hormone conversion and metabolic processes. There is some logic behind these ingredients. Minerals like selenium and zinc are important for thyroid enzyme activity and hormone balance. Supporting thyroid function may improve energy levels and metabolic regulation, especially for people with nutrient deficiencies. But here's the important part. Most claims about weight loss come directly from the brand's marketing, not independent clinical studies. There's no strong evidence the supplement itself causes significant fat loss. Thyroid related weight issues usually require medical diagnosis and treatment, not just supplements. So, does Purevine help you lose weight? Probably not directly. At best, it may support thyroid, nutrition, and energy levels. But the dramatic weight loss claims are likely exaggerated marketing rather than guaranteed results. The bottom line, Purevine appears to be a typical thyroid support supplement, not necessarily fake, but it's not a proven weight loss solution, especially for serious thyroid conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.